Thank you for joining me today. It's time to install Focus OmniTweet. All right, to get started, we're going to visit our DIY Themes account page. And you can do this by logging into the DIY Themes website, where you will be automatically redirected to your account page. So on the account page, we're going to scroll down past our licenses and we're going to look for My Boxes. And under here, we're going to see Focus OmniTweet. I'm going to go ahead and click that green download button to get the file. And boom, we got our file. Now we're going to head back over to our website and we're going to visit the WordPress admin. And we're going to locate the Thesis link on the left-hand side here. Click that. Now we're inside the Thesis admin, and here you're going to look for the Boxes link in the navigation menu. You're going to click it to reveal the submenu. You're going to click on the Manage Boxes link. And now here on the Manage Boxes page, what we want to do is upload a new box. And we'll do that by clicking this big blue button at the top. And then we're going to choose the download file that we just got. It's going to be called focusomnitweet.zip. We're going to open that. We're going to click Add Box. And the box has been successfully installed. We'll click this to close the pop-up. And now this is very important. You want to check this box to activate Focus OmniTweet, but the box will not be activated until it's checked and you click Save Boxes. So we'll do that now. Boom, Focus OmniTweet, it will become alphabetized, and now here it is. Focus OmniTweet is installed and ready to rock, and you are now ready to proceed with the next step in the documentation.